Hello friends, so today we are going to learn how to make diamond in Blender. Let's start. So for making diamond, first you have to go to edit, then preference, then search for extra, EXTRA. Then you have to click that add mesh extra objects, then cross it, then press shift A, then mesh diamond. You can use this brilliant diamond. After that, place it properly. Then I will start making the shader of it. Then go to shader editor, EV2 cycles, then go to material properties, hit on the new button, then delete this one and we'll search for glass. Then we'll use this glass BSDF for that. Assign to the surface. Now we'll check the output of that. So the roughness should be 0.05. It can be differ. You can check your lighting according to that. Then IOR you can use like 2.4. Then go to here. Then use a light. We can use sunlight for that. Then you can increase the strength. Press Shift A, mesh, plane. You can use any other lights also, like point light also you can use. Increase the power of that. We have to use HDRI for that. For that, click on here, then environment texture, open. Yep, can use this kind of HDRI. And for the background, you can make it transparent. So for that, go to here in the film and click on the transparent. This plane you can extrude it, then select this edge. You can use a bevel for that. Yep. So one thing, make sure here the caustic should be on, so that then this effect you can get by the caustics. So if you want any chromatic aberration for this diamond, so what you have to do, go to the shader editor again, select your model, then select this glass BSDF, then duplicate it 3 times, then go to the color, RGB, make it full red. Second one you can make it green, and the third one you can make it blue. Then search for Shift A and search for add, then use his add shader. Then this green color should be assigned here the shader, and then it will be turns in yellow color after mixing the red and green. Then we have to duplicate this add shader also, then just place it here, then assign this blue color in that shader. then it comes in a white color. So then this IOR value you can give like 2.75. This one you can give 2.35. Like that you can play and you can check that what numbers are good for you. Then you can see that rainbow colors are visible in the diamond. So I'll show you another thing. I made this ring and I place this diamond in top of that. If you want to check the output, we can go here or here also. Here the lighting how I made. I use two planes and every plane I use a new shader and I increase that emission value on that. So the color should be white. The strength it can increase if you want more light on that. So like that you can make a ring also with the diamond. Then you can use this diamond anywhere in your desirable ornament. Hope you like that. Thanks for watching. Sign off.